You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he...
So today we are at very loud Boxback or Kempton Park. Is it Boxback or Benoni?
Kempton Park.
Kempton Park. We are at collab tuning and we are getting the M40 Z4 or the Z4 M40 at collab tuning downpipe. And yeah, I'm here with Fun with Cars. So you've seen his channel. I'll pop it up here and you can check out more of his content. So yeah, we'll be filming the M40 Z4 and yeah, seeing just what's gonna be possible today. So this is the bottom of the M40, the Z4, and you have the exhaust here.
So this is the new one.
Yeah. So just at McDonald's now. I think we saw in Boxback or something like that. So now just like talking about everything that had to do with like installing the downpipe and all. There are a few things that we still need to make sure they're okay, but we'll see how it goes. But I think it's just like, you know, when you put a new pipe, you get a bit of smoke, something like that. It shouldn't be that serious, but yeah. What's up guys, so now we have the downpipe done and this thing has changed completely. Now you can hear the almighty B58 screaming, and now we're just gonna take it for a quick run and see what it's all about. So just do that. So as you get in the car, you are welcomed by this very nice red interior, and now let's jump inside. Okay, so the car has been running for a bit now, so it won't be completely a cold start, but it has been parked for a minute or so. So now I'm just gonna raise my seat up because this position is of the owner might be a bit too back. Okay, take it in front, back and down. Okay, so let's take it for a spin. Ah man, that is not really a cold start, but I guess it is. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the drive. So this thing has 285 kilowatts, and you know what that means? It means that when you press, you get all that goodness. Oh man, I have the windows down now. I hope you can actually hear me. Let me just close the windows so we have a bit less It's worth noting that this car has two-wheel drive from the back, meaning that I cannot be as excited as I was driving the M340. Okay, let's just adjust the steering wheel again. Where's that thing? Okay, we're gonna try to push it back. Oh, okay, that's as far as it goes. Oh man. Oh my days, that sounds amazing. Okay, I just realized that we were not in sport the whole time. So all that was like normal in a way, but let's take it back. Ah. Okay. Oh, oh man. That is the B58. It wants to go. It's because the car really wants to go. Okay. Okay. So this is a very close relative of the Toyota Supra. Same drivetrain, same everything. A bit of tweaks maybe from Toyota. I feel like I don't want to say much with this car. I just want to drive it because really there isn't a lot to say. It's a B58. It's basically, it's all that B58 madness, but taken to the back wheels. Do you understand what that means? It means that you have 285 kilowatts, possibly more after the downpipe in this car, but then you don't have it. Hold on, I think it's about to rain, so what we're gonna do is take the car under 55 and then and then now close this thing here. So you just hold this button down. So now it's so now it's closed. Oh wow, this is a lot of car. I need to concentrate a lot while driving this car. This is the most powerful rear wheel drive I've ever driven. But I think what makes it fun is that it's short base, right? It's a bit shorter than your F80s, your G80s, but still. I think this is one of the last few rear-wheel drive B58s in the market, if we're not looking at the Supras and everything. But like, okay, BMW, it's one of the last rear-wheel drive B58s that you can enjoy this Gen 3. I think it's the Gen 3 B58. Okay, so let's just go back. I think oh my days, man. I don't think as a car enthusiast you should skip. There shouldn't be a time in life where you can't own a B58, a 6-cylinder B58, because this is what this car is all about. This is probably the most fun that I've ever had in a rear wheel drive. Oh man. So we're just gonna park it here and look at it properly. Wow, man. So just gonna let it cool down, and as it cools down, let's take a look at this almighty B58. And one thing to note is that this is a very how do you open this actually? No. So this is the heart of this mighty beast. And this is the 6-cylinder 3-liter inline 6 B58. And I think maybe people just think it's a gimmick what this engine is all about, but from what we've just seen now, you can also say that it's definitely not a gimmick. So yeah, powered by the same inline 3 that's in the M340, the Supra, and all this that you have here is all cooling systems for this car, and still running the same original intakes. Everything here is original. The only thing that we have is the new downpipe. But yeah, that is the Z4. Ah man, that was an enjoyable experience. And once again, thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing to our videos, and catch you in the next one. Thank you so much. All right.
What's it going? G-Wagon, all depends. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon.
We're done with shooting, or I'm done with shooting, and now we're just gonna go to the petrol station, and because my car just went down to 60 now, kilometers of range. So we have the 330 and the Z4 M40 cruising. We are around the midstream area, or rather going into midstream. Actually, this is the first POV that I've done with this car in Joburg. I think we can just go, hey? Yeah, we don't have to do that. One day I'll tell you a story about what I did to my car. For those who know, they know. Okay, we're not turning. So I don't really know where we're going. I'm just following the 330. We are going straight actually, we're not turning. Oh, we are turning. Sorry man, I don't know where we're going. I have no idea. So we just got here. Okay, how much is fuel? 22 rand. Yo, we are down bad. We are down bad. Okay, let's get out. But yeah, this is our fuel haul, and we're gonna see how that goes. So on today's episode, for checking how much you're gonna put in your B58 for a full tank, for what we had, we poured about 1.1 thousand and it gave us 309 kilometers of range. Obviously that's not very accurate because the car has been pushed today, but as we drive it normally, it's gonna go down to the normal range.